Hey everyone, I'm Chase, Rocky Mountain ATV giving you a closer look at the forced aluminum roof from Tusk for the Polaris XP1000 Turbo S. All right everyone, thanks for tuning in. Today we want to show you this forced aluminum roof from Tusk for the XP1000 Turbo S. Now for us, one of our favorite accessories on any side-by-side is a roof. Now the XP1000 Turbo S does come with a roof off the factory floor, but it's made of plastic, and this is going to be made from laser cut aluminum. It's got a nice black powder coated finish to it, so it's just going to be more durable, and that black powder coated finish is going to stay looking good for a very long time. If you ask me, I think these guys do a great job when it comes to the design. I think it gives a nice, sleek, aggressive look to your machine, especially with that spoiler that you see on the back. Now as far as the mounting goes, what's great about this is that it uses the same factory holes that you use on your stock roof, so no drilling, no modifications required. All your mounting hardware is going to come included. You've got gaskets going all the way around it. That's going to help with vibration. And another cool feature about that spoiler in the back is that the way it's actually shaped, it directs airflow downward, so it actually helps stop dust from accumulating on the rear window. Now a couple other things you'll notice, we've got this mounted up with the Tusk light bar mounts in the light bar. So there's holes on this roof that are pre-drilled, so if you want to get a light bar set up on your roof, Tusk light bar mounts are going to fit perfectly. You'll also notice too, we have the full glass windshield from Tusk on here as well, so that's going to work with this roof. You could also rock the polycarbonate windshields that we have as well. So if you're looking to upgrade your roof on your XP1000 Turbo S, this is an awesome choice, and the price on this can't be beat. If you guys have questions or comments, leave those below. We'll get those answered. And to pick one up, it's real simple. Click on the link or head over to RockyMountainATVMC.com. Remember, they are machine specific, so when you're picking yours up, enter the make, the model, and the year to ensure that you do get the proper fitment. And to see all the accessories that we carry, just enter the make, model, and year, scroll down. You'll see everything that we carry for your machine. I am Chase. We'll see you on the trails.